Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. So today I wanted to just do a real quick video because I have been getting asked so often about the Cricut mug press, putting your cups in the dishwasher and how are they holding up, how do they look after being washed and all of that stuff. So I just wanted to do an update for you. I will tell you, I have washed this cup now exactly 30 times. So this has been in the dishwasher 30 times. And I use the Cricut brand mug and I use the mug press, but you can see like the pictures are just as beautiful as they were the day that I put it on. It is still my favorite mug. Make sure it's not dirty in there because I use it all the time. So I use this mug pretty much every day, and I rinse it out and then every couple days stick it in the dishwasher. And I've been sticking in the dishwasher a little bit more because I wanted to make sure I washed it a bunch of times in the dishwasher so that I could show you guys. But again, like, the pictures are just phenomenal. They look fantastic and there is no change in them whatsoever. The cup has held up really well and it looks good. So yeah, so anyways, I know it's a quick video, but I really just wanted to give you guys that update and let you see how it's holding up. So super cute. If you'd like to see the video of making this personalized cup, I will attach it. But aren't these fun? Like, this is just such a super cute idea for people. I mean, you can commemorate a trip, you can, funny things, friendships, dogs. Like, this is so much fun. I am having a great time with this, with the mug press and the cups. So I've not tried any coffee cups other than the Cricut ones, but these are wonderful, and honestly the price is good on them. So all right, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And again, if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.